Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we're looking at Uno, Play with Pride. Same to ages 7 and up, 2 to 10 players, and the copyright's 2019 on it. So obviously this is a themed one for Pride, so let's take a look at what is in there. It does say that this is in partnership with the It Gets Better project. Alright, we're supposed to have 112 cards and instructions. So open this. This packaging is a little garbage. It's just kind of glued down. Alright, so here's our instruction sheet. It's a pretty standard Uno instruction sheet. This one's actually pretty decent paper. It's not as bad as some of them we've seen. But it has 112 cards, 19 blue, 0 to 9, 19 green, 19 red, 19 yellow, same thing. 8 draw 2 cards, 2 for each color. 8 reverse cards, 2 in each color. 8 skip cards, 2 in each color. 4 wild cards, 4 draw 4 cards, 4 wild customizable cards. So it's got scoring and everything. Usual stuff that you would get. So let's get that out of the way. If I can refold it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, good enough. Alright, we'll start with this deck because it's closest. It does have a perforation tab for easy opening, which we all know rarely works out for me. So as you can see, the back of the cards has a unique look to it, so of course that makes it necessary to get another deck of these if you have to replace one of these cards. So let's see what's so special about these. Then we have the blank ones inserted face up in the deck. Same back of the card, but there's the blanks. And that's the first deck. Not a lot different there. Alright, let's take a look at the other deck. The card thickness is pretty good. It's about the same as what you usually get. A little thinner than they used to be, but not much. I mean, that was comparing them to a deck from 20 years ago when they had slightly thicker cards. But with casual use, these should hold up pretty well. And since these go for less than $10 a deck, it's probably decent enough quality. And finally, the number 1. Okay, I have to say that these are pretty disappointing. Aside from 4 of these special wild cards, there's nothing particularly unique about these other than the backing. They're kind of boring. They're regular decks. I expected something a little more colorful and exciting, but nope. The cards are a bit thin, but not bad. Like I said, the packaging, the box itself is kind of trash. So this is a pretty low end. I'd hesitate not to call it a cash grab, quite honestly, because the box is easily torn, and there's nothing particularly unique about these cards. They're kind of low end, average cards. Packaging's low end. The cards are fine. But it's just a money grab. It's just a regular copy of Uno with a different backing and a couple of heart-shaped logos on some wild cards. That's it. I don't think it's really worth tracking down. So unless you're really big on giving a gift of pride, or somebody's birthday happens to be during Pride Month, I don't think this is really anything unique or special. It doesn't seem like it has any special rules either. So there's really nothing here to make it stand out from other copies of Uno, other than that you could probably track those down cheaper. So I would say this is a pass for me. That's going to do it for this one. You've heard what I've said. We've seen what's inside. That's going to do it. Wrap it up, as they say. So thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links are in the description to various support methods. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.